Hi, Joanna Hodorowska here, Nutrition in Motion, helping you to get more than just a Band-Aid for your symptoms. And today I want to talk about the acid reflux. You know, a lot of times you go to the doctor and they give you a pill. They give you an acid blocker. They give you something to basically decrease the acid. But the thing is, your acid problem is actually a stress problem. And so the pills are just a Band-Aid, and they're not actually addressing the root cause of why the acid problem is actually there. And so a lot of times it's like, okay, what really needs to be done is we have to address your stress, because when you're stressed and you're like, I'm too busy to eat, you sit down and you basically chew your food 3 times, take some water, drink it down, and you're actually creating the problem because you're not actually being present to the meal. You do need to do some mindful eating practices, which is what I help you do. And you'll have to be able to do that before you even attempt to get off of the acid blockers, because the acid blockers are such that if you try to get off of it 3 days later, oh my God, it is like an explosion of fire went off in your gut. But the second part is that, you know, most of my clients that have come in to see me with autoimmune issues, including MS, including arthritis, and there's one that's with Crohn's disease now, people with chronic IBS. These are all things that a lot of times they started with that acid blocker because it started with GERD, it started with acid reflux, and you know, the doctor gave them the Band-Aid, the pill, and you know, the purple pill does wonders, except that now they've got mouth bacteria in the gut. Now they have other things that are not supposed to be in the gut. Now they have SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, because the mouth bugs get killed in the acid that's in the stomach. Now, if you get rid of the acid, now your body's not digesting properly. Now you're not chewing your food. Now your body's not even digesting, because it's not designed to digest chunks of food. It's designed to take in pureed food, basically, you know, baby food texture. So, you know, the acid problem, okay, it's a problem. We can help you actually get past it, but it's going to require a little bit more work so that you don't end up with more issues later on. And we also have to help you just be present. You know, take a deep breath, be present, enjoy your meal. If you're flying by the seat of your pants all the time, that's what's triggering your acid issue. It hasn't been resolved, and we can help you with that. So if you have chronic GI issues and it starts with the acid problem, sometimes just breathing deeply has helped me to get rid of my acid problem. And once in a while I do have it, and I'm like, I didn't think I was stressed. Well, my body's telling me I am, so I might as well take some deep breaths, get myself grounded, get myself settled, and guess what? My acid problem goes away, because it really wasn't a problem. It's just it's a symptom that requires a different aspect of how you address it. So if you're tired of the Band-Aid effect and looking for some real solutions to your issues, give me a call, Joanna Hodorowska, nutritioninmotion.net, and we'll lead you down the path of better health by rebuilding the microbiome and rebuilding your mindful eating practices.